Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what I carry inside of my backpack. A lot of you guys requested to see this video, so I'm finally doing it. I have a few other what's in my bag videos on my channel, so you can check them out if you're interested. But today I will be showing you what I carry inside of my backpack on the days that I do want to bring a little bit more stuff with me. Normally I do carry a small bag. I don't really like to carry a lot of things with me, so this is the kind of bag that I take if I travel somewhere. Otherwise I will have my smaller bag with me. This is a backpack from the brand Maison De Fleur, which I bought in Japan. I actually have a whole video about this backpack and Elise Lisa backpack, so I will link that in the description bar below. And I do really enjoy this bag. It's a perfect shape, it's super comfortable, and it fits a lot of stuff. The flap opens up like this, so you can fit a lot of stuff in here. If you want to see what I carry in here, then let's get started. So I'm just gonna take out all of this stuff in here in no particular order. I guess the biggest thing that I would like to take out first is a book that I'm currently reading, and I actually have this in Russian, but this is 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, which is a very popular business book, I guess, and a lot of people recommended this. Everybody has read this, so I finally managed to get it. I initially wanted to get it in English. I just couldn't find it anywhere, and then when I was in Russia I saw this book, so I just got it, and I have just started reading it, so I don't really know if I like it or not. But if you have read this, then let me know what you think about this book, if it's good or not. Next up I have this, which is my sunglasses, and oh my god you guys, this is my newest luxury addition to my collection. This is Chanel sunglasses, and my husband actually got them for me as a surprise. This is what they look like. I absolutely love these. So this is like an early Valentine's Day gift, and this was a surprise. I saw this when I came back from Russia, and I had no idea he was gonna get me this. So this is what they look like on. I love these. These are such good quality. These are my first actual luxury sunglasses. I used to always have just some whatever cheap sunglasses, but these are such high quality, and they come in this beautiful leather case which looks like this. I'm just so beyond happy and thankful that my hubby got this for me. And yeah, so these are my sunglasses that I carry with me all the time, trying to be super careful. So the next thing I have is of course my wallet. This is my Chanel card holder, which I use as a wallet because I don't really carry any cash. I just have cards. Very easy to use wallet, so if you were ever thinking about getting this one, I absolutely recommend. I also have a perfume. I always carry a perfume or something of that kind with me. Currently I've been using Miss Dior hair mist. This is not a perfume, but it's like spray for your hair, but it smells exactly like Miss Dior perfume. Very beautiful floral scent, perfect for springtime. I'm already in the spring mood. I don't care that it's still February. Next up I have this pouch which keeps all of the necessities in one place. So in here I have things like my eye drops, some extra color contact, some medicine, some ibuprofen, some Mayo. I have my Patrick Ta lip gloss in the shade She's an Influencer, which I absolutely love. This is such a beautiful super sparkly shade. I have my Chanel lip duo. This is a liquid lipstick and a gloss, and this is in the shade number 59 Shocking Pink. Also really like this. I have this little tiny L'Occitane almond hand cream, the most amazing scent ever. If you like almond, I totally recommend this one. Then I have this mouth spray. This I got in Japan, and this is the peach flavor. I have Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel lip gloss, and then I have this little Travelo kind of scent, and in here I have Bath & Body Works mist in the scent Sweet Escape. So this pouch just keeps all of the tiny things together in one place. Extremely convenient, and it's like very soft, so it doesn't hold its shape, and it can adjust depending on what kind of bag I have to fit this in. So I really like this one, and it's really pretty as well. Next up I have hand sanitizer. This is such an amazing thing. I usually put this on the bag, but today I just have it inside, and this is a Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer in the holder, also from Bath & Body Works, and the nose lights up, you guys. Isn't this just the cutest thing in the world? I just can't. I love this so much. So I don't know what I'm gonna do once the winter is over, because it's kind of weird to carry this in the summer, but yeah. And the hand sanitizer that I have today is the 'Tis This Season hand sanitizer. Don't really like the scent as much, but it's okay as long as I can sanitize my hands. That's all I care about. Next up, I just have a little hair comb. I got this from Daiso, I think, in Japan, and it's my Melody comb. It's super cute, very pretty in pink. I also have these Colgate Wisp Max Fresh little toothbrushes that you can use on the go and you don't need water. And since this is my travel backpack, I always want to make sure I can brush my teeth if I have no access to water or like on the plane. So this is extremely useful. Also have some hand sanitizing wipes. Always have to have these no matter what. These have saved my life so many times, so an absolute must. Another thing I have in here, which should be in the pouch, is this Dior lip glow oil in the shade number 1 pink. I recently got this. I absolutely love it, and I know this is such a popular product. Totally worth it. Very, very beautiful. Feels really nice on the lips. I just absolutely love Dior lip products, so if you were thinking about getting this one, go for it. And another thing in the main compartment is my powder. This is Chanel powder, which I also got recently. Very beautiful compact powder to have on the go, so I can look at myself, fix my makeup, and this has a huge mirror as well, which is really convenient. And these are all of the things that I have in the main compartment. And then there's also this little zip pocket in the front, and in here I have some gum. I haven't opened this one yet, but I always have gum with me ever since I was born, basically. This is 5 peppermint cobalt gum, probably my favorite of all time, so have to have that. Also have my Airpods. Can never go anywhere without them. Absolutely love them. Had these for probably 4 years now. Just such a must. Love, love, love. And then I have some more eye drops. This is the Roto Max Strength Redness Relief. These are super strong eye drops, so be careful with them, but when my eyes are extremely dry, this is what helps me live. And that's all of the stuff that I have in my backpack. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope that this video was interesting and you found maybe some cool items that you can also get for yourself. And yeah, thank you so much for watching as always. I hope to see you in the next video. If you have any requests for videos you would like to see from me, let me know in the comment section below, and I always appreciate your support, and whatever you write comments, I am so beyond happy. So I hope to hear from you guys, and yeah, have a good day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.